Garage storage is a common challenge that many homeowners face, and it's usually due to limited space. But as you can see, I have a decent sized garage, and I'm still running out of space just because when you own a home, you collect stuff that you don't necessarily have a place to store. Disorganization can lead to wasted time and effort, while organization can make it easier to find things and make your garage space much more useful. So today I'm going to turn this and this into this. I'm going to be installing the Flexi Mounts Wall Shelf 2-pack. They did go ahead and send this out to me for testing. Let's see if it's worth it. So each set of shelves comes with this hardware pack, which is super nice. So it comes with your lug nuts, your concrete anchors, and your washers. So you have all the hardware you need to get these things hung up. The FlexiMount garage shelves come with this nice template as well, but I tend to not trust these just because in this house, not a single one of these studs is exactly 16 inches apart. So if you're going through drywall, make sure you use a stud finder and just try dead center. The spacing doesn't really matter a whole lot because you're using wire rack on top. So as long as it's between 16 and 24 inches, you should be able to get it attached pretty easily. Just make sure it's as level as you can get it. There's a little wiggle room, but the more level it is, the easier it is when you put those racks on. Something I didn't realize till late is it comes with a little bubble level that you put in the installation guide, and it also comes with Velcro, so you can strap the racks down so that they're not gonna shift on you when you're loading and unloading them. All right, let's talk about this for a second because I am legitimately impressed. Look at this, doesn't look like much. That's a couple 100 pounds of gear. It's a lot deeper than I thought it would. This thing is sturdy. It is not going anywhere. Almost completely cleared out my entire shelving unit, so there's nothing on it. And the best part is I didn't use all the racks. I still have one more of the angles, and I got 2 more shelves, which is fantastic because I'm probably gonna need a lot more of these. That was all I could fit in that space above the garage. Speaking of that, let's go ahead and see if it works. Not a problem. Out of sight, out of mind, baby. I did learn a few things. First off, make sure you measure correctly the first time. I thought I measured it correctly to go for my garage, but I measured the low spot, not the high spot, so I had to redo about 5 of them just to make sure the garage could open and close smoothly. So test fit it first, make sure wherever you're putting it is a good place to go and that you don't have to drill a bunch of extra holes. Second thing I learned is with the racks, always put on the back one first, and then the front one will slot right in and they'll squeeze together, and then you can Velcro them. It's super simple once you have the brackets up, and it is really a one-man install. It did take me about an hour and a half, not including redoing it, just because I was doing it up so high, so I had to climb up and down the ladder 100 times. Overall, this product has been fantastic. The only things I would change about it is I'd probably include an extra bolt and washer just in case you drop one. Ask me how I know. Dropped a few of them. Didn't lose any of them, thankfully. That'd be nice to include. The instructions were fine and it was super easy install. It's definitely heavy duty enough for all of my needs, especially for the camping gear. That stuff doesn't weigh a whole lot. If you're interested in buying these racks, go ahead and check out the links below. I should have an Amazon link and I might be able to get a discount code for you guys. If you're curious on any of the camping gear that we stored up there, go ahead and watch this video right here where I show you 3 of the best water containers on the market and which one's the best. Thanks for watching.